Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jira dashboards with Tempo Timesheets, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Jira dashboard in your web browser. Log in with your credentials if prompted. Navigate to the dashboard section from the main menu. Click on the Create Dashboard button to initiate a new setup. Enter a name for your dashboard in the provided field. Add a description if desired to give context to the dashboard. Select the sharing permissions to determine who can view or edit the dashboard. Click Add to confirm your new dashboard settings. Once your dashboard is created, you will see an empty screen ready for customization. Next, look for the Add Gadget button, usually found on the dashboard. Click on it to open the gadget directory. In the search bar, type Tempo Timesheets to filter relevant gadgets. Choose the Tempo Timesheets gadget that best fits your needs, such as work log calendar or timesheet report. Click on the Add Gadget button next to your chosen gadget. After adding, configure the gadget settings as required. Set the time frame for the data you want displayed in the gadget. Adjust any filters to focus on specific teams or projects as needed. Click Save once you've configured the gadget to your liking. Repeat the process to add more Tempo Timesheets gadgets if desired. Arrange the gadgets on the dashboard by dragging them to your preferred positions. Once satisfied with the layout, review all gadgets for any necessary adjustments. Click Done or Close to exit the gadget directory. Regularly update the dashboard to ensure the information remains current and relevant. Utilize the dashboard to track time, productivity, and project progress effectively. Explore additional features and configurations within Tempo Timesheets for advanced reporting. Remember to revisit the dashboard periodically to make any necessary modifications based on evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.